Welcome to this reading practice session to help you improve your pronunciation in English. Reading is an excellent way to enhance your language skills, and with a little bit of practice, you can improve your pronunciation as well. Remember to take your time and practice as much as you need to. With regular practice and a willingness to learn, you can improve your English pronunciation and become more confident in your language skills. Thank you for watching and happy reading. Listen and practice. Listen and practice. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Anna who was a recent immigrant to the United States. Anna had always dreamed of moving to the US and starting a new life, but when she arrived, she quickly realized that her English skills were not as strong as she had hoped. Determined to improve her English, Anna started practicing every day. She listened to English language podcasts, watched movies and TV shows in English, and read books and articles in the language. She even started speaking with her neighbors and co-workers in English, even if it was difficult. As Anna continued to practice, she became more confident in her ability to communicate in English. She started to make new friends and even found a job that allowed her to interact with people from all over the world. One day, Anna's hard work paid off in a big way. She was in a coffee shop when she overheard a woman speaking Spanish, her native language. The woman was having trouble communicating with the barista, who only spoke English, and was visibly upset. Without hesitation, Anna stepped in to help. She spoke to the woman in Spanish and helped her order her coffee, and then explained to the barista what the woman wanted in English. The woman was grateful, and as they chatted, she mentioned that she worked for a company that was looking for someone with Anna's language skills. She offered to pass along Anna's resume and introduce her to her colleagues. Anna was overjoyed and felt that all of her hard work had finally paid off. She continued to practice and learn every day, but she never forgot the moment when she was able to use her language skills to help someone in need. It was a powerful reminder that language is more than just words. It's a bridge that connects people from all over the world. Listen and practice. Listen and practice. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Emily who had just moved to the United States from her home country. Emily was excited to start a new life in a new place, but she quickly realized that her English pronunciation needed some work. Determined to improve, Emily began reading short stories out loud every day. At first, she struggled with some of the more difficult sounds and rhythms of English, but she persevered. As she continued to read and practice, Emily's confidence grew. She started to notice that her speech was becoming clearer and more natural. Her new American friends even began to compliment her on her accent. One day, Emily went to a job interview for a position she really wanted. She was nervous, but she had prepared well and felt ready to impress her potential employer. During the interview, Emily spoke clearly and confidently, demonstrating her excellent pronunciation skills. The interviewer was impressed and offered her the job on the spot. Emily was thrilled to start her new career, and she knew that her dedication to improving her English had made all the difference. She continued to read and practice every day, and she never forgot the power of hard work and determination. Listen and practice. Listen and practice. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Alex who was an aspiring musician. Alex had always been passionate about music and had a natural talent for playing the guitar. However, Alex realized that his dream of becoming a professional musician would be difficult to achieve without mastering English. Most of the music industry was based in English-speaking countries, and many of the best opportunities required strong communication skills in English. Determined to succeed, Alex enrolled in an English course and started practicing his pronunciation every day. He focused on learning the words and phrases commonly used in the music industry and listened to English songs to help improve his understanding of the language. As he became more comfortable speaking English, Alex started performing at local venues and sharing his music with a wider audience. He quickly gained a following and was soon approached by a record label interested in signing him. Alex was thrilled, but nervous about meeting with the label's executives. He knew that this would be his chance to prove himself and secure a record deal. During the meeting, Alex spoke confidently and clearly, impressing the executives with his fluency in English. They were impressed by his talent and dedication and offered him a record deal on the spot. Alex was overjoyed and knew that his hard work had paid off. He continued to practice his English and create new music, eventually becoming a successful international artist. Alex's story is a reminder that with hard work and determination, anything is possible. With a little effort and practice, anyone can achieve their dreams and overcome any obstacle in their path.